In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice in Synthesia. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Synthesia. In the results, click the official site with the secure lock icon in the address bar so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the home page, click Log In. Enter your account details and continue to your dashboard, where you'll see your projects. Open your video in the Synthesia editor. You can do this by selecting it from your recent projects or the folder where it's stored. The editor will display your canvas and your scenes. Next, navigate to the specific scene where you want to change the voice. Click that scene so its script box is active and visible. Now look to the left side of the script box. You should see a small speaker pill or an avatar icon. This control typically shows the current voice name or a small avatar thumbnail. That's the place where you'll manage which voice is speaking in this scene. Click the voice name or the small down arrow next to it to open the full list of available voices. You'll see a range of options. Before making a selection, click the play button next to any voice to hear a short sample. Take a moment to listen for tone, accent, pacing, and clarity. Think about the audience and the style of your video. A calm, neutral voice can suit tutorials, while a more energetic voice may work better for promos or intros. Try a few samples until one feels like the right fit. When you've decided, click the voice to apply it to the current scene. Right after you choose, you may see a prompt asking if you want to change all. Select this if you want the same voice to be applied across every scene in your video in one go. If you only want the change in the current scene, dismiss the prompt and continue editing as usual. That's the full process. Search for Synthesia, click the correct link, log in, open your video in the editor, go to the scene you want. Use the speaker pill or avatar icon to open the voice list. Preview your options and select the one that matches your content. If the speaker pill isn't visible, make sure you've selected a scene with script text and that the script box is active. With these steps, you can quickly fine-tune narration to match your message, whether you're updating a single scene or unifying the voice across your entire video.